Okay, so this is a pick a card for your marriage. Now, if you are going to get married in the near future or not, and near future I mean in the next 2-3 months, do not take it as you're not going to get married. So we will just pick a card and see that if the relationship you are in right now or the upcoming relationship will turn into marriage very soon, or you are going to give this person a little time to think, giving yourself time to think about where this should go and should we turn it into relationship or not, like this. Okay, you just have to pick one pile and then we'll see what is in store for you. This is pick the first, this is second, and this is third, so choose any of these. Okay, starting with the first card. If you have picked first card, okay, your card is the Emperor. So first of all, the person you are about to get married is a very authoritative person who has qualities of a leader, and they are very strong and disciplined, and they know what they want from life, right? Now the sign that is associated with this card is Aries. So your person or you might be an Aries, and talking about when you will get married, so Emperor suggests that right now you guys are not very sure about marriage. You want to get married, you both are. If you are in a relationship, you and your partner want to get married, and if you are single, then the person you will meet soon wants to get married to you. But then you people are assessing the relationship, and you are trying to find a traditional or a methodical path where you both can move together without hurting anyone. So basically it's like maybe your family is not agreeing, or you guys are not financially stable right now, or emotionally stable, or one of you thinks that they are not prepared to handle the pressure of marriage. So marriage is there on your mind, but you are thinking, and going by the card this year, if you have been analyze the pros and cons and you know where you are going, then it will be this year. Otherwise it will be somewhere in the month of next year in April or March. If you guys are emotionally stable right now, financially stable, the marriage will be this year only. But if you guys are not prepared right now, as the card is suggesting that you guys are not prepared right now, maybe you are too young to commit to each other for the rest of your life, or like I said, that you both want to grow first. You want to get that financial stability, the emotional stability. You're planning your future together, so you guys are working on that right now. Now the second card is, I'm so sorry, the second card is Ace of Wands. So if you have picked this card, then the universe is saying that be prepared, it can happen anytime. The card is all about abundance, happiness, new beginnings. So if you are in a relationship, the relationship's new phase for the relationship is about to begin, and that could be a marriage. And if you are single, then soon somebody is going to enter in your life, and you guys are going to tie the knot forever. The signs that you might be dealing, or you are is Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, or the marriage could be done in the corresponding months to their birth birth months. Now understand this thing that the marriage is very it is about to happen very soon, maybe in weeks or in 1 or 2 months from now on when you're watching this reading. And you don't have to be scared about how this is going to end, because this marriage will bring passion and energy in your life, and it's very fresh. You guys are inspired, you guys are excited, and it might also happen that you are not expecting it right now from your partner, but all of a sudden, spontaneously, he or she will propose you. If you guys are not even thinking about it, but your partner might jump in one day and tell you that he or she wants to marry you. You expect this also. The card says take action. So if your partner says, will you marry me, you should say, I guess, because this is the right one. Now coming to the third card, which is Ten of Wands. So Ten of Wands is about I guess some of you are having a baggage right now, and if you are in a relationship right now, you are not getting over your previous relationship that you were in, and you are stuck in the past relationship energy right now. It could either be you or your partner, and one of you is feeling very overwhelmed right now. You are overwhelmed with the responsibilities and the emotional baggages, and either you or your partner believe that you are doing a lot of things for the relationship and the other person is not putting in the same level of efforts, or your partner thinks this way, and it's coming from you mainly, that you're feeling drained out. You think like, oh my god, I have given him so much, but he's not responding in the right way. I don't even know if I want to be with him or not, whether he's going to change his behavior once we get married or not. So these thoughts are they are covering your mind, they are fogging your brain right now. But the card says that you're tired, you are drained by doing all the work right now, but you need to be balanced and you need to share the burden, and you need to discuss it with your partner. And marriage, as far as marriage is concerned, the card says that it is going to happen soon. So maybe your partner will propose you, and then you will be like, no, I don't know, I don't think so, I want to marry this person because this person has XYZ issues, I don't know if it'll work or not, if this will improve or not. So the cards are saying that once you get clear of these things, try to have faith in your partner, try to communicate about your feelings with your partner. And even if you think that you are doing good on your part, and you maybe your partner is thinking that way, then try to talk to each other and sort this thing out. And once this is clear, you guys will be married, and it will be a good and happy marriage.